Hello, it's Kimberly Martinson. Happy Veterans Day to you. If any of you are veterans, thank you for your service. And thank you guys for being so consistent and working so hard in this course. I really admire that you are being dedicated, and I know the challenge that it is to complete something that's online and to have to be your own motivation. So kudos to you. So this weekend next, we have been working on turning in the first paper and then coming up with ideas for the second paper, which is about a local issue. So your first essay, you're analyzing a text, and your second, you're creating your own argument about something that matters to you and something that's close to where you live or how you live. The reason that we do this is to make it more interesting, because oftentimes if we ask people to write an argument, they'll write about one of 5 things. It'll be abortion, gun control, the death penalty, legalizing marijuana, and trying to think of the 5th thing. People always write about the same thing. So this way, you actually have to think more about what the issue really is. So I really enjoyed getting a glimpse into the places where you guys live. So we have represented, we have Florida, we have Dallas and Houston, we have Oklahoma City, or Oklahoma, the state. We have several people in Massachusetts, so it's really kind of interesting. All right, so like I said, I'm working on grading your essays right now. I just reread all of them, or just read all the final drafts, I should say, and I'll be marking them up and giving you specific grade feedback later tonight and then going on into tomorrow. Let's see. You guys all posted about your topic Friday, and then about half of you so far have done 4B, which is giving a thesis statement to your argument. So again, there I'm providing feedback. Make sure that you look at that, and please make sure that you look at the feedback on 4A as well, just to give you a little more guidance. I try to help you more at the start. Let's see, coming up this week then, nothing's technically due tomorrow because the college is actually closed. And then you have a quiz and readings on Wednesday, and then Friday you have your rough draft of the first essay due, and the following Monday you have your peer reviews of that essay due. So if I can be of any help, please email me. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing what you guys come up with next. Have a great Sunday.